19th question. It is given as find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Now as the question says that we need to calculate points, means we need to calculate the value of x and y. Now as the tangent is parallel to x-axis, then the slope of tangent will be equal to 0. So taking up the curve and differentiating it with respect to x to find the slope of tangent, differentiating curve we get x square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y dy by dx and x derivative 1. So we get the complete differentiation of the curve as 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 equal to 0. Taking out 2 common, we get x plus y dy by dx minus 1 equal to 0. Now making dy by dx as a subject, we get the final slope of tangent as dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x upon y. So always whenever we differentiate the equation of the curve, we always get the slope of tangent. Now as the line is parallel or the tangent is parallel to x-axis, the slope becomes 0. Therefore slope of tangent is 0. Now slope of tangent we have calculated as 1 minus x upon y, that is equal to 0. Calculating the value of x, we get the value as x equal to 1. Now to calculate y, the value of x equal to 1 is to be substituted in the equation of the curve. So it becomes 1 plus y square minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Calculating it, we get y square minus 4 equal to 0. Y square equal to 4 gives y equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore we can say the points are 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. So this is how the points are being calculated when the tangent is parallel to x-axis. 20th one. The question is, find the equation of the normal at the point am square am cube for the curve ay square equal to x cube. Now here the equation of normal is to be calculated. So point is given, slope is needed. Now the slope of the normal is minus 1 upon dy by dx. So first of all, we will be calculating dy by dx by differentiating the equation of curve. So differentiating the equation of curve with respect to x, we get a y square derivative as 2y dy by dx and x cube derivative becomes 3x square. Now making dy by dx as a subject, whenever we calculate dy by dx, it is always slope of tangent. So that becomes 3x square upon 2ay. Now as we need the equation of normal, we need to calculate slope of normal, that is minus 1 upon dy by dx. So taking up the reciprocal and additive inverse, we get minus 2ay upon 3x square. Now the normal is passing through the points am square, am cube. So the slope is to be calculated at this point. So wherever x and y is there in this slope, there we will be keeping am square in the place of x and am cube in the place of y. Cancelling it, after substitution cancelling it, the slope of normal is minus 2 upon 3m. Now we have got the slope of normal. Point is known to us. So equation of normal is calculated by using point slope form as y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. Now x0 is am square, y0 is am cube. Keeping it in the equation, we get y minus am cube is equal to slope calculated is minus 2 upon 3m. So minus 2 upon 3m into x minus am square. Going for cross multiplication, taking 3m the other side, multiplying with both the terms, we get as 3m y minus 3am raised to 4, opening the bracket here, minus 2 multiplying with both the terms, minus 2x plus 2a m square. Now just converting it into a standard equation, shifting minus 2x plus 2a m square the other side, we get 2x plus 3my minus 3am raised to 4 minus 2am square equal to 0. So that makes 2x plus 3my, taking am square common, inside the bracket remains 3m square plus 2 equal to 0. This becomes the equation of the normal at the point am square, am cube. 21st example. The question is, find the equation of the normals to the curve y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. We need to calculate the equation of normal. Now to calculate the equation of any line, whether it is tangent or normal, point is needed and slope is needed. Now here neither point nor slope is given, only the condition given is the normal is parallel to x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Now if the lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. So firstly, we need to go for differentiating the curve to calculate the slope. Now when we differentiate the curve and calculate the dy by dx, that dy by dx is always slope of tangent. But we need here normal, hence slope of normal will become minus 1 upon dy by dx. So differentiating the curve y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, we get the slope of tangent as dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2. Now slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx. So that we get it as minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2. Taking this statement as 1, Now it is said that normal is parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, slope of normal will be equal to slope of line. Calculating the slope of line by using the form minus a by b, which we have studied in 11th science. So, taking up directly as minus a by b as a slope of line, we get minus 1 by 14, that is being taken as 2. As the slope of normal and line are equal, we will be equating 1 and 2. So equating 1 and 2, we get here minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 14. Negative and negative gets removed. Just changing the reciprocal or taking up the reciprocal, we get 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. Calculating the value of x here, by simplifying the statements, we get x square equal to 4, and therefore the value of x becomes plus or minus 2. Now to calculate the value of y, we will be substituting one time x equal to 2 in the curve. So, and calculating the value of y, we get y equal to 18. So, one of the point we got it as 2 and 18. Now, slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by 14. Point is calculated. Slope of normal is known. Now, calculating the equation of normal by using point slope form, that is y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. So substituting the value in the place of x0 and y0 as 2 and 18 and calculating the whole of this equation by shifting 14 on the other side, and we get 14 by minus 252 is equal to minus x plus 2. Shifting minus x the other side, it becomes x plus 14 by minus 254 equal to 0 is one of the equation of normal. Now taking up the next value of x as minus 2 and keeping in y, that is the equation of curve, we will get the value of y as minus 6. Now another point is known, that is minus 2 and minus 6. Calculating the equation of normal, the slope over here will be also minus 1 by 14. So again, keeping in the equation y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. Substituting x0 as minus 2, y0 as minus 6. Calculating it by taking 14 the other side, we get 14y plus 84 is equal to minus x minus 2. Shifting minus x and minus 2 the other side, we get the final equation of normal as x plus 14y plus 86 equal to 0. So this is how the 21st example is calculated, where we have taken up first the slope of tangent, and to calculate the equation of the normal, points were not given, hence first we have calculated the points. Slope of the normal we got because slope of normal was equal to the slope of the line as they were parallel. So after calculating the points, we have made use of point slope form to get the equation of normal.